What's going on, guys? It's your friend Jack here, and today we're going to be covering my first Amazon KDP royalty payment. And a little while back I did a video on my first 30 days with Amazon KDP. So this is actually the results and me getting my actual payment from those months, or that month, some time ago. And I'm just going to cover it with you guys, go over my KDP for a second here, and just share with you guys what I've been up to over on the KDP side of things. Alright, so I wasn't sure how the payments worked up until pretty much this month. I did read about it and I kind of understood it, but I did not realize that it does take quite a while for you to get your payments from KDP. So pretty much this is my payment from January 1st to the 31st, meaning it basically takes all of February and half of March for them to send out the actual payment. You're going to see here the 29th of March is when they're sending it out. So it's basically 2 months after you get your, royalties collected at the end of the month. Count 2 months after that, that's when you get your royalties. If you didn't know that, neither did I, but it's how it works. Now, we're going to go over my, a basic just overlook of my earnings for the first month that I ever did Amazon KDP, which was the month of January this year. So in the month of January, it's going to tell me I made 90 cents or 90 pence, I think it's called in euros. Just had to think there. But yeah, so 90 pence, and yeah, not bad. Like, that's one sale in the European market, I believe. I'm going to go over to, the Canadian earnings, and I believe this is the book that I bought as a sample, or one of them was. I believe I sold 3 in Canada. One of them was my own purchase. I'm going to scroll down here, and 130 in US, earnings, not bad. And then in the Coda UK, so in Great Britain pounds, I made $3 or 3 Great Britain pounds and 73 pence. Anyway, so that is why I just want to update you guys, because I think a lot of people, they get confused on the KDP earnings, and I was too. So I figured I'd let you guys know how it works. It's about 2 months after the month you actually get paid for. So, if you get 40 million sales this month and you make $40 million, you're not going to get that $40 million till, April and then May, and you get it in the end of May. So that's going to be how it is, which isn't bad, honestly. That's pretty good for this system. I think it makes sense because obviously they have a lot of people that they have to pay out, and if they had it in a stricter time frame, it'd probably be very difficult. So yeah, I'm actually pretty happy with that. And real quick, we're going to go over back to January just to look at my sales charts, just to see how it was. And then I'm going to end the video there. I just want to share this with you guys. Kind of exciting, get my first payment from Amazon KDP. But let's go take a look at the January sales, just the chart and how we did in our first month once again. So yeah, you're going to see right here, we made 8 sales in our first month of Amazon KDP. And I can assure you that every single one of these was journals. And yeah, they're all journals, nothing crazy, and they're just my t-shirt designs put on the journals and uploaded to, KDP. At the time, I did not have 549 books. I have more like maybe 100, so not bad. But this month's sales are doing a lot better, so stay tuned, because just in a couple days, I'm going to be doing a full report on my March sales and how I'm doing and what my strategy is going like. So if you want to know more about that, definitely stay tuned, hit the bell and all that goodness to see that upcoming video. And if you guys want to go check out my first 30 days on Amazon KDP video, where I kind of go more in depth into what I've been doing, how I did it and my expectations, then I'll leave that down in the description for you to check out. As always, it's been your friend Jack. I hope you guys have a great freaking day. I hope you enjoyed this short video report. I'm going to be posting another Amazon KDP video later today, so stay tuned for that. And thank you guys so much. It's been your friend Jack once again, and I've said that like 4 times. And peace out, keep striving, stay blessed.